Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Flow. Today, we're going to practice an English conversation at an electronics store. Imagine you want to buy a new pair of headphones, but you don't know which one to choose. Let's listen to a simple conversation between Alex and a sales assistant. Alex walks into an electronics store. Sales assistant: Hello. Can I help you? Alex: Hi, yes, please. I'm looking for a new pair of headphones. Sales assistant: Sure. What kind of headphones are you looking for? Alex: I'm not really sure. I want something comfortable with good sound. Sales assistant: No problem. Do you want wireless headphones or wired headphones? Alex: Wireless, please. Sales assistant: We have several models. How much would you like to spend? Alex: My budget is around $50. Sales assistant: Okay. We have these two models. This one is $45 and this one is $55. Alex: What's the difference between them? Sales assistant: The more expensive one has better sound and a longer battery life. Alex: How long does the battery last? Sales assistant: About 30 hours. Alex: That's pretty good. Sales assistant: Yes. It's a popular model. Alex: Can I try them? Sales assistant: Of course. Alex puts the headphones on and listens to some music. Alex: Wow. The sound is really clear. Sales assistant: I'm glad you like them. Alex: Are they comfortable? Sales assistant: Yes. You can wear them for several hours. Alex: That's important to me. I listen to music while I study. Sales assistant: Then I think these would be a good choice for you. Alex: Do they have a microphone? Sales assistant: Yes. You can use them for phone calls and online meetings. Alex: Great. Can I connect them to my phone? Sales assistant: Yes. They're Bluetooth headphones. Alex: Perfect. Sales assistant: Would you like to buy them? Alex looks at the headphones again. Alex: I like them, but I'd like to look at a few more options first. Sales assistant: Of course. Take your time. Alex: Thank you. Sales assistant: You're welcome. Alex walks to another part of the store. He sees many different electronic products. There are phones, laptops, speakers, smartwatches, keyboards, and cameras. Alex looks at a small speaker. Alex: Excuse me, can I ask you another question? Sales assistant: Of course. Alex: I'm also looking for a small speaker for my room. Sales assistant: Sure. What is your budget? Alex: Around $30. Sales assistant: We have a few options over here. Alex: Which one do you recommend? Sales assistant: I recommend this one. It's small, but the sound is quite good. Alex: How much is it? Sales assistant: $29. Alex: Does it connect to a phone? Sales assistant: Yes, through Bluetooth. Alex: And how long does the battery last? Sales assistant: Around 10 hours. Alex: That sounds good. Sales assistant: Would you like to try it? Alex: Yes, please. The sales assistant turns on the speaker. Alex listens carefully. The sound is clear and loud. Alex smiles. Alex: I like this one. Sales assistant: Great. Alex: Let me think about it for a moment. Sales assistant: No problem. Alex looks at the headphones and the speaker. He has two good choices. But before he buys anything, he wants to ask about the warranty. And that's when he learns something important. To be continued in part 2. Alex looks at the headphones and speaker again. Alex: Excuse me, I have one more question. Sales assistant: Sure. What would you like to know? Alex: Do these products come with a warranty? Sales assistant: Yes. Both products have a 1-year warranty. Alex: What does the warranty cover? Sales assistant: It covers problems with the product. If something stops working because of a manufacturing problem, we can repair or replace it. Alex: That's good to know. Sales assistant: We also have an extended warranty, but it's optional. Alex: How much does that cost? Sales assistant: $10 for the headphones and $5 for the speaker. Alex thinks for a moment. Alex: I don't think I need the extended warranty. Sales assistant: That's completely fine. Alex: Can I return the products if I change my mind? Sales assistant: Yes. You have 14 days to return them. Alex, do I need the receipt? Sales assistant, yes, please keep the receipt. Alex, okay. I'll remember that. Alex looks at the headphones again. Alex, I think I'll take these headphones. Sales assistant, great choice. Alex, and I'll take the speaker too. Sales assistant, sure. Would you like a bag? Alex, yes, please. The sales assistant puts both products in a bag. Alex checks the prices on the screen. Alex, excuse me, I think there may be a mistake with the price. Sales assistant, let me check. The assistant looks at the computer. Sales assistant, you're right. I'm sorry. The speaker is actually on sale today. Alex, really? Sales assistant, yes. It's $25, not $29. Alex, that's great. Sales assistant, so your total is $70. Alex, can I pay by card? Sales assistant, of course. Alex takes out his bank card and pays. Sales assistant, here's your receipt. Alex, thank you. Sales assistant, you're welcome. Alex puts the receipt carefully into his wallet. Alex, I have one more question. Sales assistant, sure. Alex, how do I connect the headphones to my phone? Sales assistant, it's very easy. First, turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Alex, okay. Sales assistant, then turn on the headphones and press the Bluetooth button. Alex, and then? Sales assistant, your headphones will appear on your phone. Just select them. Alex, that's easy. Sales assistant, if you have any problems, you can come back to the store. Alex, thank you for your help. Sales assistant, you're very welcome. Alex picks up his bag and starts walking toward the door. Then he stops. Alex, wait. I almost forgot something. Sales assistant, what is it? Alex, I need a charger for my old phone. Sales assistant, what kind of phone do you have? Alex, it's an older model. Sales assistant, let me see. Alex shows him the phone. The assistant checks the phone carefully. Sales assistant, you'll need this type of charger. Alex, how much is it? Sales assistant, $15. Alex, okay. I'll take it. Sales assistant, no problem. Alex pays for the charger. Then he finally leaves the store. Outside, he looks at his shopping bag. He feels happy because he found everything he needed. But he also realizes something. Shopping at an electronics store isn't only about choosing a product. You need to ask questions. You need to compare prices. You need to understand the warranty. And you should always check the receipt. Alex smiles and looks at his new headphones. He can't wait to try them at home. But when he gets home, he discovers a small problem. The headphones won't connect to his phone. What will he do? Will he be able to fix the problem himself? Let's find out in part 3. Alex gets home and takes the headphones out of the box. He is excited to try them. He turns them on. A small light starts flashing. Alex opens Bluetooth on his phone. He waits. But the headphones don't appear. Alex tries again. Nothing happens. He looks at the instructions. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. He turns the headphones off and on again. Still nothing. Alex feels a little frustrated. He calls the electronics store. Sales assistant, hello, how can I help you? Alex, hi. I bought some headphones from your store today, but I can't connect them to my phone. Sales assistant, no problem. I'll help you. Alex, thank you. Sales assistant, first, are the headphones turned on? Alex, yes. Sales assistant, is the Bluetooth light flashing? Alex, yes, it is. Sales assistant, good. Now open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Alex, okay. I can see my Bluetooth settings. Sales assistant, do you see the name of the headphones? Alex, no, I don't. Sales assistant, okay. Let's try something else. Turn Bluetooth off and then turn it on again. Alex, all right. Alex turns Bluetooth off. Then he turns it back on. Alex, okay. It's on again. Sales assistant, now check the list one more time. Alex, wait. Sales assistant, do you see them? Alex, yes. I can see the name now. Sales assistant, great. Tap on the name. Alex, I did. Sales assistant, is it connected? Alex, yes. Alex smiles. Alex, it works. Sales assistant. Excellent. Alex, thank you so much. Sales assistant. You're welcome. Alex, I thought the headphones were broken. Sales assistant. No problem. Sometimes new devices need a little setup. Alex, I understand now. Sales assistant. Enjoy your new headphones. Alex, thank you. Have a nice day. Sales assistant. You too. Alex ends the call. He puts the headphones on and starts playing music. The sound is clear. He smiles. These are great. Then he remembers the speaker. He takes it out of the bag. He turns it on. This time, he knows exactly what to do. He connects the speaker to his phone in a few seconds. Music starts playing. Alex laughs. Now I have a speaker too. His room suddenly sounds much better. A few minutes later, his younger brother walks into the room. Brother, wow. Where did you get those? Alex, I bought them today. Brother, how much did they cost? Alex, the headphones were $45 and the speaker was $25. Brother, that's not bad. Alex, yes. The speaker was on sale. Brother, can I try the headphones? Alex, sure. His brother puts them on. Brother, wow. These sound really good. Alex, I know. Brother, can I borrow them tomorrow? Alex laughs. Maybe. His brother smiles. Please. Alex, okay, but take good care of them. Brother, I will. The next morning, Alex takes the headphones to work. He uses them while traveling on the bus. He listens to music and an English podcast. He realizes that the headphones are very comfortable. Later that day, he receives a message from the electronics store. It says that his speaker is eligible for a free software update. Alex is surprised. He didn't know that speakers could receive updates. He checks the instructions and updates it. Everything works perfectly. That evening, Alex tells his friend about his shopping experience. Friend, so, are you happy with your new products? Alex, yes. Very happy. Friend, was the store helpful? Alex, yes. The sales assistant answered all my questions. Friend, what did you learn? Alex thinks for a moment. Alex, I learned that you shouldn't be afraid to ask questions. Friend, that's true. Alex, and you should always check the price, warranty, and return policy. Friend, good advice. Alex, also, don't buy something just because it looks expensive. Friend, why? Alex, because the most expensive product isn't always the best one for you. His friend smiles. You're becoming an expert. Alex laughs. Maybe. But there was one more thing Alex wanted to buy. His laptop was old and slow. And now he was thinking about getting a new one. The next weekend, he decided to return to the electronics store. This time, he knew exactly what questions to ask. And he was ready to make an even bigger decision. Let's continue in part 4. The next weekend, Alex returned to the electronics store. This time, he wanted to buy a new laptop. A sales assistant came over. Sales assistant, hello. Can I help you? Alex, yes, please. I'm looking for a new laptop. Sales assistant, sure. What will you use it for? Alex, mostly for studying, watching videos, browsing the internet, and doing some office work. Sales assistant, okay. Do you have a budget? Alex, around $500. Sales assistant, that's a good budget. Let me show you a few options. The assistant showed Alex 3 laptops. Alex looked at them carefully. Alex, what's the difference between these 3? Sales assistant, this one is the cheapest. This one has more storage and this one is faster. Alex, which one would you recommend for studying? Sales assistant, I would recommend the middle one. Alex, why? Sales assistant, it has enough storage, a good battery, and it's fast enough for your everyday work. Alex, how long does the battery last? Sales assistant, around 8 hours with normal use. Alex, that's good. Alex opened the laptop. He checked the keyboard and screen. Alex, can I try the keyboard? Sales assistant, of course. Alex typed a few sentences. Alex, it feels comfortable. Sales assistant, that's good. Alex, does it have a webcam? Sales assistant, yes. It has a built-in camera and microphone. Alex, great. I sometimes have online meetings. Sales assistant. Then this model should work well for you. Alex, does it come with a charger? Sales assistant. Yes, it does. Alex, what about the warranty? Sales assistant. It has a 2-year warranty. Alex, that's better than my old laptop. Sales assistant. Yes. Alex looked at the price. It was $480. Alex thought about it carefully. He remembered what he had learned during his previous visit. He didn't want to buy something quickly. He wanted to make the right choice. Alex, can I think about it for a few minutes? Sales assistant. Of course. Alex walked around the store. He compared the laptops again. After a few minutes, he returned. Alex, I think I'll take this one. Sales assistant. Great choice. Alex, is there a discount today? Sales assistant. Actually, yes. This model is 10% off today. Alex smiled. That's perfect. Sales assistant. Your total will be $432. Alex, great. He paid by card. The sales assistant gave him the laptop and receipt. Alex, thank you for your help. Sales assistant, you're very welcome. Alex left the store feeling happy. He had bought a laptop that fit his needs and his budget. More importantly, he had learned how to shop for electronics with confidence. He didn't simply choose the most expensive product. He asked questions. He compared products. He checked the battery. He checked the warranty. He tested the keyboard. And he checked the final price before paying. When he arrived home, his brother looked at the laptop. Brother, is that your new laptop? Alex, yes. Brother, can I see it? Alex, sure. His brother opened the laptop. Brother, wow. It looks great. Alex, and it works really well. Brother, how much did it cost? Alex, $432. Brother, that's not bad. Alex, I got a discount. Brother, nice. Alex smiled. He remembered his first visit to the electronics store. At that time, he wasn't sure what to ask. Now he felt much more confident. He had learned some simple but useful English phrases too. When you go to an electronics store, you can say, I'm looking for a new laptop. How much does this cost? What's the difference between these two? Can I try it? Does it come with a charger? How long does the battery last? Does it have a warranty? Is there a discount? Can I pay by card? Can I have the receipt, please? These simple sentences can help you communicate clearly when shopping. So, remember, you don't need difficult English. You just need the right words and the confidence to use them. If you're ever in an electronics store, don't be afraid to ask questions. Take your time. Compare your choices. Check the price. And choose something that fits your needs. Thank you for listening to today's English conversation on Daily English Flow. Listen to this episode again. Repeat the sentences. Practice the questions. And try to use these phrases in your everyday English. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep learning. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.